Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your TCL TV. So in order to perform a factory reset operation, you're gonna have to navigate to settings, to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen. In settings, select device preferences, then navigate to the very bottom of this menu, and at the very bottom below the accessibility menu you should see the reset option, which will begin the factory reset process. But if you don't see it there, then you're gonna have to open your TV settings, which you can do by pressing the gear button on your remote control. This will open the sidebar on your screen. Select picture, then navigate to advanced settings, then in advanced settings select brightness settings, then navigate to contrast option, and then enter the secret code on your remote control to open the service mode, which is 1950. So 1950. Now let me enter it. And this will open the main menu of the service mode. Now what we want to do here is disable the Huddle Mode, so our TV so we'll be able to perform a factory reset operation on our TV. So navigate to Huddle menu. You can navigate here using up and down arrow keys on your D-pad and select with the central D-pad key. And if you see an arrow like this, that means that you can perform this action by pressing the right arrow key on your remote control. And right now we want to open the Huddle menu, and by the way, try to be careful in this menu, as some of these settings are quite can cause many kinds of troubles if you don't use them in a proper way. So once you see the Huddle enable option, if it's set to on, that means that we want to turn it off, and to do that press the right arrow key to change the status to off. And once the Huddle mode is off, let's go back to the settings menu, then device preferences, then scroll down to the very bottom of this list, and here we have the reset option. Now after the factory reset operation is performed, all the data will be removed from your device, including your accounts, your sign-ins, your settings, your applications, your media that you have stored on this device. However, your purchases, of course, are linked to your accounts. They will not be removed. You're just gonna have to set up your accounts once again, either on this TV or on some other device. So don't worry about the purchases. Select reset. Then when you're ready, select factory reset, then select erase everything to confirm, and then provide the PIN code, not the PIN code to your TV, but the one that you see right here. So in my case right now it's 5030. After you enter the PIN code, navigate to OK option, and then wait until the factory reset is performed. It's gonna take a couple of minutes probably, and generally once you see the setup screen, once you see the language selection screen, that means that the factory reset operation is finished. So now let's wait for a moment. And at this point the factory reset operation is complete. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.